Remember Tetris? Packing is grown-up Tetris. Packing with compression cubes is a cheat code. Step 1, roll your clothes, or KonMari fold them like this. I prefer KonMari, but you do you. Step 2, stuff that cube full. Not like a maniac, just snug. Then zip it closed. Now the magic, compression zipper. It feels mildly illegal how much space this saves. Left, packing cubes all zipped up. Right, packing cubes not zipped up. Be the left. Less mess, less stress, and Vacation You will thank you. Hope this helps.